The cumulative total of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the United States topped 43.64 million as of Saturday, with the death toll surpassing 700,700, according to data released by the Center for System Science and Engineering, CSSE, at Johns Hopkins University on Sunday. Specifically, the country's case count rose to 43,649,970 as of 17:21 Eastern Daylight Time (EDT) on Saturday, and its death toll reached 700,793, the CSSE tally indicated. Compared with the data 24 hours ago, about 101,338 new COVID-19 cases and 1,146 new deaths were registered in the pandemic worst-hit country. While in regional distribution, the cumulative death toll reported in states of California, Texas, New York and Florida had all exceeded 50,000, and the total death toll of the 4 states had exceeded one-third of the COVID-19 deaths in the country. According to estimation based on an analysis published by the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, some 6.3 million family members may be grieving the loss of a beloved one due to the coronavirus. Many medical experts felt depressed and sad over the death toll of over 700,000 Americans since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. John Brownstein, epidemiologist of Boston Children's Hospital, said that the deaths of more than 700,000 people was a tragedy, which was completely avoidable. He said that people actually had knowledge and tools to prevent it, while unfortunately the politics, lack of emergency response and undercutting of science roles, trapped the nation and people into dire abyss. To make it worse, tens of millions of Americans refused to receive vaccination, leaving medical experts deeply frustrated as this led to rampant spread of a more contagious and lethal Delta strain. According to a report of an American local media, approximately 117.4 million Americans have not been vaccinated yet, of which nearly 70 million are people aged over 12 years old and eligible for vaccinations. The current vaccination rate in U.S. is close to the lowest point since last December. Research statistics show the proportion of American minorities' hospitalizations and deaths is much larger than their share of the population. Due to the inequality and racial discrimination in health, education, and employment in the United States, minorities in the country are more vulnerable and more harmed in the face of the outbreak, according to analysts. Misinformation is regarded as one of the reasons why the COVID-19 cases and deaths are still surging in the United States. Wearing masks is viewed as a political issue by many people, causing many divergences in the country. Some Republican governors, including governors of the states of Texas and Florida, tried to ban the mask wearing in their states on the grounds of personal freedom. American epidemiologist David Dowdy stated after analyzing data released by various states that of the latest more than 100,000 deaths from the coronavirus, at least 70,000 are unvaccinated cases. He said that if the COVID-19 vaccination campaign in the country is more effective, 90% of the deaths could have been avoided.